Sent this oscillating tool blade set and asked you my opinion on it. Make this short video. So here goes. This is a really cool set. Give you a very nice box to keep these blades stored in. They're going to give you the owner's manual. It's going to explain how to use the different types of blades and also the adapters for Dremel and for Bosch that come with it in case you've got one of those. I've got a Dewalt, so I won't need an adapter on this. So this is a 7-piece set. Here's what you get inside. It's really cool how they've done it. You've got your adapters for Bosch and for Dremel. And then you've got your blades here. All kinds of different varieties. So it's a good starter kit. If you're new to getting an oscillating tool, then this is one that you're going to want to grab. You've got the scraper. You've got the arced cutting tool with the titanium edge here. You've got some here for cutting clear wood and wood with nails. So clear wood's got that, sometimes they call it a Japanese edge here. It's got a curved teeth. And then you've got the titanium with a straight. So you can cut a nail if you get it in the middle of your cut in a piece of wood. And then across these, you've got these for clear wood, wood with nails again, and then a larger one for clear wood. So really good for cutting into sheetrock if you're doing any of that. And you've got to make a nice square hole in your sheetrock. These are great for that. Scraper, it's really good for taking off paint off of metal surfaces. You can really get underneath the paint and just kind of strip it right off. The box is cool because it's got a holder here on the back. So if you use your pegboard or want to hang this on the wall, you've got them all in one place. So they're all ready to go for all kinds of options when using with your oscillating tool. What I'm going to use here for cutting some clean wood is this one here. It's got the short depth measurement on it. To attach these, all you do is just pull back, and they've got a standard style of hook up here. And I'm just going to attach it like that, and we're in place. And in cutting with these, just so easy. Give it lots of RPM, and then let the machine do the work for you. It's cut so easy with these real nice blades. And that's it. These things work great. I definitely would recommend them. EZARC makes a lot of different cutting tools, rotating blades, circular saw blades, all kinds of cuts with these really good materials. They last a long time. I've been real happy with them. I've got lots of EZARC tools here at the house. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.